Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So, right now it's almost 4 a.m. and I'm here. This is our kitchen, Subansari Halls of Residence Girls Hostel, RGU, and no one's awake. Hopefully no one's awake right now, and even if they are, hopefully they don't come here because I'm recording my content. So, this video is very impromptu. The whole night I was craving something. I was very hungry, so I decided to cook something. Luckily, I had one Maggie packet left, and I also bought this from one of our nearby roommates. From one girl, I bought this. This is Yippee tricolor pasta, and the other one is Maggie. So this is like all-time favorite for all the hostelers. So I'll just cook something, and yeah, I was very hungry. आज रात हमको नींद ही नहीं आ रहा था, तो I decided to wake up and read a book, just go for a walk. And by the way, यहाँ का जो अभी का जो सराउंडिंग है, एग्जैक्ट ये टाइम का आसपास, मतलब 2 से लेके 4 तक इतना फॉगी होता है ना कि पूरा हॉस्टल तक आता है फॉग ना. तो आई वॉज जस्ट वॉकिंग अराउंड एंड द फॉग वॉज ऑल देयर. It's such a nice experience. जल्दी उठने से you get to experience this, but हम जल्दी नहीं उठते. It's whether I have to रात भर जागना पड़ेगा, or else I won't get to see this view because सुबह उठने का हमको आदत नहीं है. Anyways, this is my boiler, and पीछे से लाइट बहुत आ रहा है. I'll have to block it this way. ऐसा करने से और मेरा चेहरा खराब हो जाता है, मतलब लाइटिंग अच्छे से नहीं आता है. Exams are ongoing right now, and yeah, 26 को next exam होगा. After that 28 को होगा. 28 will be our final exam. After that I have some plans with Nanu. We'll hang around and do fun stuff. Also, this month of June, I was thinking not to inform this here. I was thinking not to make it out public in social media, but yeah, I think you guys will see it anyways. June ko I'm participating in Miss Universe in Natural. It was a wildcard entry that I got from participating in Miss Luna, and eventually I get to participate here as well. Hopefully I perform my best, and that's all for now. Preparations will be going on, and this month after exam I'll be busy this month of June. Hopefully whatever I aspire to do, those things will happen, and in the name of Lord, Amen. All right, so I'm very hungry right now. I'll have to cook, or else सुबह हो जाएगा and सब लोग आ जाएगा because exam time है, और अभी सब लोग सुबह उठ रहे हैं आज कल हम को छोड़ के. Is my voice audible? All right, so मैंने connect कर दिया है. इसको turn on कर देता है. Yeah, once it's done, we get to eat this. I'll watch some nice movie with that. I am halfway watching a movie. Hey, कुत्ता आ गया अंदर. Hi. All right. So the one thing I like about this mess is इधर chilies मिल रहा है, guys. Look. So I'll pick 2 chilies. That will be enough. I like red chilies more, so I'll pick red chilies. Shit. वो ही नहीं है मेरे पास. चाकू ही नहीं है, bro. चाकू 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 लाना भूल गया. I had scissors. हम तो scissors से ही काटते हैं. Because scissors से काटने से उंगली में जाल नहीं होते. Will this fork work? Alright, I've chosen these two. These both will work. Wow. So I ended up using my 2 fingers. Oh, धुआं निकल रहा है. Boil हो रहा है पानी. Yay! Alright. Alright, so it's time for Maggie. गर्मा गर्म. It's done like this. That's for the thumbnail. ज़्यादा पानी हो गया लग रहा है गाइस। कर देते हैं। किसका टिफिन के ऊपर रखा है? Moment of truth. Let's see. Alright, it's done. Ooh, look at this. Taking this with me. Guys, my tablet का शीशा टूट गया, डिस्प्ले टूट गया। So apparently it's going to cost me about 8,000 to get this repaired. So I'm thinking कि पूरा डिस्प्ले उड़ने के बाद ही हम वो बनाएगा वापस। Otherwise my money will go in vain. बाद में यहीं पे बनाएगा बैठने बढ़ने से। Alright, watching a movie. Shit, the network sucks here.
Said nothing for his mouth was full. Then he swallowed. And then he
Wasn't able to eat this.
Master Oogway summoned.
Now I'll wash this and I'll cook the pasta.
So मैंने गर्म पानी चढ़ा दिया है। ऑन करते हैं, इसके बाद इसको बंद करते हैं। That's it. अभी हम मूवी देखते रहेगा। यार मैं पेट गड़बड़ हो रहा है, जल्द ज़्यादा हो गया।
Good morning, guys. Look, all fog outside. Oh, guys, this is so pretty. You have to see this. Oh, I can hear all the birds chirping. It's 4:10 a.m. in the morning, and this is the fog which I was talking about. Let me get you a clear view. So the hostel rooms are divided into blocks. I stay in block D with my roommate, and that's the block D center. And here we go. Yeah, wow, all fog. Oh, मुर्गी भी अभी आवाज किया. That's our park, सुबानसरी का. सुबह तो नहीं उठा लेकिन रात भर जागा, so I get to view this, get to have this beautiful experience. Ah. Sorry, I want to wear this. So pretty. You see? इतना फॉग है। झूला बीच के है पूरा। कैन आई सिट? नो आई कांट, कपड़ा गंदा हो जाएगा। वाओ, इतना फॉग है कि पूरा हमको अच्छा लग रहा है फॉर सम रीजन। इट्स सो पीसफुल। ऑल राइट, सो आई गो चेक। हम जोर से बात इसलिए नहीं कर रहे बिकॉज कोई लोग सो रहा होगा अभी। सो कॉल माइक। So pretty. Let me get you one more view. This is so pretty. Roses right there. These flowers are so pretty. I don't quite like the color of it. तो थोड़ा पानी फेंको बाहर। Shit, पानी पूरा इधर गिर गया मेरा। Good on you. Neon buzzing on the ball. Dialing it down at your eyes. Oh, look at the color. It's so colorful. बहुत अलग दिख रहा है, अलग से पास्ता जैसा नहीं दिख रहा है। जो यूजुअल पास्ता हम लोग खाता है उस तरह से नहीं दिख रही है। हाँ सॉरी, अलग स्मेल बहुत अलग है इसका। अब इतना ज्यादा पाउडर है, इसका सबको डालेगा क्या इधर? इसे कौन ऐसा लग रहा है इसका अंदर में ना। इट्स डन। It's not that bad. I think the masala saved this from not being tasty. Garam. Okay, so that's about it. I was hungry and I'm so glad कि एक पैकेट का मैगी बचा हुआ था. So that's about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a very raw video that I'm posting. It wasn't planned at all. I was just feeling very bored कि अभी क्या करेगा. I had a YouTube channel, so hopefully this video will go there, and I'll just okay, bye. It's exactly I think 4:30 या फिर पता नहीं क्या 4:40 5 बजने वाला होता होगा शायद. After this I'll have to sleep. इतना भूख लग रहा था जिस वजह से हम सो भी नहीं पा रहा था. Flower is so pretty. So good morning everyone if you're watching this in the morning, and bye, have a nice day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.